Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Hi, Gavi.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Good. I'm good.
Who is the boy? Your son?
My brother.
Oh, sorry, your brother,
I'm saying
okay.
about it. I'm saying.
You both are so pretty enough. And what do you do?
Thank
You
you.
both?
I'm a YouTuber. I get
YouTuber?
paid loads of money.
You are a
I
YouTuber?
get paid loads of money, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, goodness. So may I know the name of your channel? I wanna to subscribe your channel.
Yeah, I'll message you it.
Definitely you will do
Okay?
the link of your YouTube into my inbox.
I will.
What kind of content do you make?
All sorts. Like we do like pranks, we do giving people money. Do loads of things. We just make everyone's day.
Oh, yeah, okay. I understand. So it's really so interesting. I'm also a YouTuber, but my channel is really so little. I'm trying my best to increase my channel. So let's see what happens. I mean, in the future, I would like to just make a traveling video, like I will go worldwide to buy my video. I want to give a message to my people. That's all of my intention, but let's see what happens. Now my business is not doing good, and that's why I can't do it. Is but in the future, that's my plan.
Yeah.
How many subscribers you have?
1.2k so far.
1.2K.
Yeah, so far.
Oh, I have 1.7K.
Not bad.
Yeah, not too bad, but I can make a better content. And you know what? I just practicing English by using this application, because my another plan is if any traveler just like to visit in my country, I wanted to be their interpreter.
Can you sing us a song?
Me?
Yeah.
Uh, I just like to just sing, but my voice is really so bad.
Oh, it's okay. You can just do
But
it.
I'm sorry. Please, can you sing a song in English, please? I would like to hear it. Really,
I will sing you.
please sing a
Bread
song.
some wet, bread some wet, my better bucket, and I'm bread some wet, I'm taking whack, bread some wet, I'm bucket, and I'm bucket,
Eh,
and I'm bread some wet,
Come on the
bread some wet.
please come on the camera.
For the song.
Come on, face on your
Maybe
camera.
I'll do this.
Rap song. What is your future plan? Do you wanna to carry your YouTubing, or you wanna to go or involve in any job?
I'm a nurse too. Why are you going with that? I'm also a nurse, but I do YouTube in the background too. Get your voice
Ah,
out of it.
yeah, okay, got it.
Kazi is gonna be my boyfriend.
Nikita, you're so funny. You're so funny.
Why are you laughing? She's underage. No, I'm not underage. I'm nearly 20 year old. Thank you.
You're 20 years
Put your
old?
big fat. Is my ID there? Look, my ID is here.
Listen, no need to show your passport or any identification in this platform, because it's not a easy platform. You are young, still young, but you have to.
Oh, I work for Dragon Family on here.
Yeah, okay, got it. Do you have
Yeah.
boyfriend?
No.
No?